everyone!
Hello!
I'm here with our friend Woodpecker.
Hello, Woodpecker!
Woodpecker will carve some animals for us to play.
Yay!
You can start, Woodpecker. Can you guess the animal?
Lola the cow!
Well done! That is Lola the cow.
Cow gives us milk, butter and cream. The cow gives us yogurt and your favorite cheese. In the morning I drink yummy chocolate milk and I...
Carve the next animal, Woodpecker. Can you guess who the animal is?
Little Chick-Chee!
Excellent! It is Little Chick-Chee.
This is the farm with little birds and bunnies jumping all around. The turkeys gobble.
Let's keep going, Woodpecker. Can you guess the animal?
Itsy Bitsy Spider!
Amazing! It's Itsy Bitsy Spider.
The story I'm about to tell happened a while ago when we went to have some fun out on Zenon's farm.
One last animal, Woodpecker. Have you guessed the animal yet?
Butteruzza the chicken!
Excellent! It is Butteruzza the chicken.
Yay!
Where is the chicken Butteruzza? Butteruzza, Butteruzza. Where is the chicken Butteruzza? Butteruzza's not here.
Good job, folks! See you soon!